Discover the perfect creamy latte made simply in seconds. With an advanced automatic frothing system by DeLonghi. The newly designed Lattissima Touch is the must-have one-touch system for latte lovers. With 6 one-touch button recipes, the Lattissima Touch offers an exceptional convenience to enjoy. At home, the pleasure of decadent barista-style recipes with fresh milk and espresso-quality coffee. Quickly prepare a creamy latte. Latte Macchiato, cappuccino, espresso, lungo, or warm milk froth suitable for many coffee and milk recipes. Adjust the milk froth texture regulator knob to vary froth texture and satisfy every taste. The sliding drip tray allows for the use of different cups or glass sizes, and after use, the milk container can be put into the fridge or disassembled and cleaned in the dishwasher. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. The 19-bar high-performance pump is the key to perfectly extracting the delicate flavor and premium aromas of each coffee capsule during the brewing process, and creating an incomparably dense and rich crema. The fast heat-up system reaches the ideal temperature in just 40 seconds. The intuitive descaling function alerts you according to the programmed water hardness setting, and the pluggable descaling pipe makes the descaling process even easier. The energy-saving function automatically switches off the machine after 9 minutes of inactivity. With a sleek and modern design, the Lattissima Touch by DeLonghi is available in 3 glamorous colors. Each machine includes a complimentary welcome set with a range of Nespresso capsules with unique aromatic profiles. Crafted in Italy. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. The perfect creamy latte. 1 button and 1 capsule. That's all it takes to enjoy the smoothest, creamiest latte in seconds. Only by DeLonghi. Number 2. 6 one-touch recipes. Simple one-touch button for coffee and milk lovers to prepare incomparable creamy lattes. Latte macchiatos, cappuccinos, warm milk, perfect espresso, and coffee. Number 3. Practical design crafted in Italy. The Touch's sleek Italian craftsmanship looks fantastic in any kitchen. Features sliding drip tray for different cup or glass sizes, removable milk container with rinsing function, and illuminated buttons. Number 4. Milk Froth Regulator. An automatic frother creates a rich, long-lasting foam that's creamier than the competition. Plus, you can make multiple cups consecutively thanks to the large milk carafe. Number 5. 19-bar pressure ready in 40 seconds. 19-bar high-pressure pump and fast heat-up system. Easy insertion, automatic piercing, and brewing of capsules. Number 6. Intuitive descaling. The machine will alert you when it needs to be descaled, and a descaling pipe is included to ease the descaling process. Number 7. A world-class selection. Savor a variety of Nespresso flavors from intense to mild and fruity, in both regular and decaf. Number 8. Rapid heat-up time. Thermoblock speeds cold start heating time to seconds and maintains the perfect temperature between cups. Number 9. Easy cleanup with no waste. Used capsules automatically eject into an internal storage container. Simply empty when full and recycle. Note: Nespresso capsules are recyclable in the United States. Canadian residents should refer to the waste and recycling requirements of the municipality or province. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.